The army of handy people we can't live without.
Created by travel woes in the wake of the first big snoon with News 4 handyman Dale Cranston to find 5 easy tips. And we'll begin with your heat registers.
Now, these heat registers, I just want to remind you that they're all adjustable and you can close them off if you want. And that's how you balance the heating system in your house. So you'd probably close them off upstairs now because all heat rises. And you want to keep the heat down low because it'll all rise anyway.
And what if you have a forced air furnace? What's tip 2?
All right, all forced air systems have a fan switch, an auto and an on switch, whether you have a digital thermostat or a regular crank type of thermostat. And what we like to do is leave the fan switch on just all the time. You know, some people just run the thing all year long, and that helps to dissipate the heat and to spread it around and to balance that heat again. You can then turn your thermostat down to maybe 68 instead of 70 because it's going to keep that heat moving around and switching it from the cold rooms to the warm rooms.
So leave the fan switch on.
Leave it on.
Okay, Dale, what's tip number 3?
Putting on pipe insulation. Pipe insulation is cheap. Anyone can do it. There's several different sizes, and what it does, it helps to keep the pipes from freezing. Maybe not in the extreme cases, but in most cases, it's going to help keep the pipe at least the temperature of the water and not freezing.
All right, even I can do that. Now, what about this up here with the faucet?
Now, this is the shutoff valve for the hose bib outside that you've been using all summer long to water your garden. You want to turn those off in case this did freeze or something because, see, that's vulnerable all the way outside. You want to at least shut it off here so that the water doesn't go gushing and you don't have a river going out your basement.
All right, what's tip 5, Dale?
Weather stripping around doors. And the type that I like is this aluminum type that has the vinyl bead on it, and it's applied on the door from the outside. You close the door, and you simply cut it to length, put it up, and nail it. That way it's custom fit to each door that you're going to put it on, and it always works. All these other ones tend to fall off or get broken. That's a good way to weather strip your doors.